quick phrases on Google Nest Hub. Macs let you perform everyday tasks hands-free without saying, "Hey Google" first. This feature is currently available in the United States with English language support only. To set up quick phrases, you need to ensure voice match is enabled and your Google Assistant's primary language is set to English, United States. You can set this up through the Google Home app by navigating to Assistant Settings, then Quick Phrases, then Other Devices, and enabling the phrases you want. Each user in your household needs to set up quick phrases individually because the feature is linked to Google's voice match technology. Important note, guest mode needs to be disabled to use quick phrases, as the feature requires voice match for user authentication. Once properly configured, quick phrases will streamline your interaction with Google Assistant on your Nest Hub Macs, making everyday tasks more convenient and efficient. Quick phrases eliminate the need to say, "Hey Google" for common commands on your Nest Hub Macs. This streamlines your daily interactions with Google Assistant. Quick phrases work with everyday commands. You can control smart lights, set timers and alarms, or ask about weather and time without the wake phrase. The quick phrases settings allow you to enable specific categories like alarms, timers, and incoming calls. Each phrase can be toggled on or off based on your preferences. Google is developing exciting new features for quick phrases. Custom quick phrases, codenamed Salsa, will allow you to create your own preset commands tailored to your specific needs. Google is also improving natural conversation by making the assistant ignore pauses, ums, and interruptions. This will make interactions feel more natural and human-like. Currently, quick phrases are limited to the Nest Hub Macs and US English. However, Google may expand this feature to other devices and languages in the future. Another innovative feature is Look and Talk, which allows you to start giving voice commands simply by looking at your Nest Hub Macs. This creates an even more seamless interaction experience.